Once upon a time, a chicken wandered into a library, not to read, but to listen. Chickens have a remarkable ability to recognize up to 100 different faces, including humans. This quirky trait helps them navigate social hierarchies in their flocks. Imagine a chicken recognizing the librarian's face and associating it with the sound of books being checked out. This fascinating fact highlights the chicken's surprising intelligence and social skills, often underestimated. Next time you see a chicken, remember, it might just know you better than you think. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.